Hello, good morning. Om Namah Shivaya. Standard 10, subject maths, chapter number 15, probability. In previous lesson, we was studied about probability, formula of probability. Probability of event E is equals to favorable to event E upon total number of outcomes to favorable. Clear, student? Now, find the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. Also find the probability of getting a tail. Also find the probability of getting a tail. Clear? And second question is, one card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an ace and not be an ace. Clear? Then probability of event E. Number of outcomes favorable to E upon number of possible outcomes to the experiment. Possible outcomes to the experiment. First, find the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. Also find the probability of getting a tail. Then let's when we toss the coin, then we get two possibility, head and tail. Head and tail. So we have two outcomes. We have two outcomes. Find the probability of getting head. Head collect करने की probability. Then probability of E, event E, is equals to number of favorable outcomes to E upon number of total outcomes to experiment. To experiment. Number of favorable outcomes to E. E means getting head. E is equals to getting head. E means getting head. Head पाने की probability क्या है? Then probability of event E is equals to number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes of experiment. Favorable outcomes, how many head we have? 1. Divide by total number of outcomes to experiment is 2. So probability of event E is equals to 1 by 2 is our answer. Let's F is equals to getting tail. Getting tail. Then P of F is equals to number of favorable outcomes to F divided by total number of outcomes to experiment. To experiment. Look at here. Number of favorable outcomes to F. F is getting tail. Then we have one tail. Total number of outcomes is 2. That's why probability of event F is equals to 1 by 2. Clear, student? Is our answer. Now, second one. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck to 52 cards. Calculated the probability that card will be an S, not be an S. Everybody know about card. 52 deck of 52 cards. We have two color cards. Red cards and black cards. We have two color cards. Red cards and black cards. Red cards have two patterns. One is diamond and another is one is heart one. Black card have two patterns. One is spread and another one is club. Another one is club. We have 26 card of diamond and 26 card have black card and 26 red card. Look at here. Probability that the card will be an S, not be an S. Then how many S we have? S mean एक्का. एक्का कितने होते हैं? 4. That's why probability events A is equals to B and S. Event A is equals to B and S. That's why we have 4 S. One is diamond S, heart, spade, and club S. Clear? Diamond, heart, spade, and club S. That's why probability of A equals to 4 divided by total number of cards, 52 cards. 52 cards. That's why answer is 1 by 13. 1 by 13. Look at here. B is equals to not B and S. Then probability of B is equals to number of favorable outcomes to B upon total number of outcomes. Clear, student? Number of favorable outcomes to B. B means not B and S. यहाँ 52 कार्ड्स में S नहीं लेना है, यानी कितने S है? 4 S है. That means 42 कार्ड्स अदर्स है. तो 42 कार्ड्स में से कोई भी एक कार्ड्स हमें रैंडमली सिलेक्ट करना है. That's why probability of B is equals to 48 divided by 52. 48 divided by 52. फ्रैक्शंस निकालेंगे. 24 टू जा and 26 to ja. 2 to cut, again 2 to cut, 12 to ja, 13 to ja. 12 by 13 is our answer. Clear, student? Okay. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you. Then complete homework. Write 1 to 7 examples. Clear, student?